Shit, can you believe it? We're alive again. Walk this bodycoding line. New footwork every day. Yeah, remember, you see, we do no excuses. Yeah, are you ready? Today, combination cross 5 and tap 2. You ready? First, watch for yourself. Then, we practice together. Let's go. Let's go. Again. Yes, let's do it together. No excuses. Are you ready? Are you excited? Let's go. And let's go. We can start with the left or with the right, doesn't matter. Let's start with the left. We cross to the back. Open. Open and out. Step. Tap. Step. Tap. Now with the right. Cross to the back. Open. Open. Step. Tap. Step. Tap. Once again with the count. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1. Yeah. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Amazing. Amazing work. Amazing. And you know what? Let's keep on practicing. I think you like it. At least I like it. Now, but I want to see you. Let's do it face to face. Ready? Go. Imagine yourself staring in the mirror. Yeah. But practicing. Let's go. With the left. Let's go. Cross to the back. Open, open. Step. Down. Step. Down. Yeah. With the right. Cross. Open, open. Step. Down. Step. Down. Once again. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. With the right. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try to let some shoulders shake. Let's go. 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, shoulders. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, this is the move. This is the groove. And if you're the serious student, you might want to practice these moves with me in the studio for free anytime you want. How can you do that? You can check the link above, below, to the side. Or if you're on Instagram, check the link in my bio to the YouTube channel and search for these moves. Cross 5 and tap 2. This is the combination we did for the day. Search them and practice with me in the studio. But what do you care? You can use this video as well. Just rewind and practice. And then practice a little bit more. And then practice a little bit more. Yes. By the way, practice is not the thing you do once you're good. It is the thing you do that makes you good. So make sure to do the practice today. Practice this move today. Master it. Get it inside your bones. Today. Why today? Because tomorrow you have a new footwork. New footwork every day. Focus body coding live. Yeah. So let's meet tomorrow with a new footwork.